There you go. Yeah, that's the exactly the same file. Okay. So you know, some font, color, and cell style, right? That's A1, F1. Cell style 6. Best accent 6. 18. Font size. Step 2, merge and center A to F2. A2 to F2. Cross. Merge and center. And font size 12. Cell style 40%. Yeah. Step 3, A4, F5, change the alignment. A4, A5. Right now, the alignment is like bottom align or something. So I'm going to align to the right, just like that, right? And step 4, unmerge the cell B4C4. B4C4 is right there, which is merged at this moment. So we can always unmerge right there. I wonder what this anyway, okay. Okay, unmerged. Okay, step 5, format date, right? It's the same thing, right? Apply 40%. Only difference is accent 5. A4, B5. Date. There's 2. I think that's what it means. Well, I think I want to just align it to right, just like that. All right, step 6, B4, B5, bold. Okay. Step 7, long date format in B4. B4 right now is short date format, so you go to date right here, which is a number format. There you go, that's a long date, short date, right? So we want long date format. There you go. Now step 8, find and replace applications so that we can correct the typo. So toolbar right here, find and replace. So go to replace and just type whatever the mistake you made, which is application, then the word that you want to replace with. So then you're going to just type click replace all. Okay. Step 9. Clearing the format. A4, A6, F6. So those 2. So we highlight those 2, A6, A7, A6, A7. Is that right? A6, F6. A6, F6. Okay. Actually, I did it up to G6. So I just clear the format. So go to right here to clear format. So only the format will be removed. Step 10. Now we're going to do some percentage right here. Column C. Again, step 10 is a typo, right? Should be C8 to C60, okay? All right, so we're going to find the percentage of the number of applications for each state. So I'll take that Alabama's number of applications divided by total, which is located right here in B5, right? Oh, we're going to enter $sign so that B5 will be fixed when you copy to other cells. Right? Just like that. So B5 stays same, right? In all other calculations. Now we want to just, edit this format, percent format to percent style and 2 decimal places. Actually, I can just autofill again. Then, okay, I'm not going back and forth, so at this step, so I'm going to just do column E, which is subtraction, subtract column D from column C, right? That's what we have. Again, this doesn't mean anything, okay? Only for the, sake of Excel formula. So C8 minus D8. All right. Now budget. Again, each state had a budget. It's supposed to be a dollar amount. I don't know. I have it step to change to $sign, I guess. Probably. So let's do that. Dollar. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to find column G, find the cumulative or running total. Keep adding each step, right, all the way down. So again, we can do 2 different ways. One is entering manually sum of F8 to F8. So I want to make it this first term absolute cell reference. So just like that. So that F8 to F8, then next cell becomes F8 to F9, then F8 to F10, and so forth. So that's what we're going to do. Apply all the way down. And that's your number. So keep adding each step. Then at the bottom, then it'll end up, I think, last 2 doesn't need it. Okay. And the last number will be this 834, 253, and so forth. All right. So that's the calculation part. In this example, percent and subtraction and entering some function, right? Now, conditional formatting, okay? Again, I'm going to do conditional formatting just arbitrarily rather than following these steps here, okay? So, for example, number of applications. We're going to apply conditional formatting. number of application between certain numbers. Let's say the direction says 200 to 500, and the color light red. There you go. What about column E? Let's say column E, when it's conditional formatting greater than 0%, right? With green this time. There you go, right? Next, column F. When apply conditional formatting, bottom 5%. So go to there, change this number to 5%. Then we want to change the field color to kind of different color, goldish. Okay. There's something else we didn't do. Above average. Okay. Let's also do above average in column F. Let's say the step says create a conditional formatting in column F to highlight numbers above average, right? Then you go to top and bottom. Then you're going to select above average. So you don't have to know the average number because all you do is just highlight them. So you're going to click above average and then you determine which color you want. What about yellow this time? So probably I'm not going to ask two different condition formatting into one column because the color may be mixed up and whatever. So okay, so greater than, less than, between. Also text that contains, right? That's something we can do. For column A, let's say we want to highlight in column A containing contains K in the beginning. See how many cells will pop up. One. Oh, there are many. Actually, Excel will recognize as those cells containing K. Doesn't matter which position, I guess. So that's why we have so many cells. We do like a so we cannot do any words starting with any. We can just add a maybe other one more text, one more puppet, like a KA. See what happens. I didn't highlight it. KA, containing KA. So we cannot do the words starting specific. I think I can figure it out, but as you can see, if you try to do, I think this is a good example. I was trying to do different ways to figure it out. So you got all kinds of, I'm talking about column A. You got those conditions are mixed up, right? With different highlights already. So you think you kind of messed up, you want to undo it. You can always undo, just undo it. Or you can go back to conditional formatting, manage your rules. Then you'll see what formatting conditions you already apply, right? Just like that. So you can just delete it, those that you don't need, because it's kind of interfere each other. So I just want to delete. In fact, you can delete all if you don't like. Then apply. Then start it over. Okay. Well, I think I just tried to do a little too much, but so that's the idea of using conditional formatting. We did conditional formatting, running total or cumulative total. I think that's about it. Any questions? Very good.
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Great. Okay. All right. So hopefully you guys are ready for upcoming tests. But don't panic. Just if you have any trouble or your machine kind of frozen. But again, just in case, you want to make sure you kind of make your computer in good condition, meaning that don't try to load up too many stuff before you take the test. It's probably a better idea just restart your machine so that all those cache or RAM can be emptied. So hopefully you don't have any computer problem or anything. And again, try to talk to Proctor, okay, if you have any trouble. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, this will be it. And we'll see you next time, okay?
Thank you.
Thank
Alrighty.
you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.